Hello everyone, this is Sebastian. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to initialize static values to the string, how to give the runtime input to the string. So I have created one C file, included header file called standard input output.h. Then I have created the main function. I have given the open brace and close brace. Now I want to declare the string. How do we declare the string? First we have to give the data type. Data type is char. Then we have to give the string name. Maybe string name is country. I want to store my country name, so I'm giving the string name is country. Then we have to give the size of the string. So square bracket. Inside the square bracket, we can mention the size. If you are giving the static input, we no need to mention the size. Now I want to give the value of the string. Value of the string is India. Now I want to create one more string. In this string, I'm going to get the my name. How do we create a string? Again, data type, that is nothing but char. String name, here string name is student name. I'm going to get the student name. Student underscore name. This is the string name. Student name is nothing but string name. Now I want to mention the size of the string. The size of the string should be given inside the square bracket. So I'm giving the size is 30. So here we can store the 30 characters in the string called student underscore name. Now I'm going to get the input from the user for the student name. So printf inside the double quotation I'm going to ask their name. So enter your name. Then I'm going to give the semicolon. Then here I'm going to get the input. How do we get the runtime input? We have to use the scanf. So let me use the scanf. So if I want to get the integer input, I have to use the %d as a format specifier. If I want to get the float input, I have to use the %f. If I want to use the string, I have to use the %s. Now here I want to mention the string name, that is a variable name. Here variable name is student underscore name. So let me type student underscore name. Here I'm getting only one string, so I'm giving only one variable name here, student underscore name. Now my aim is I want to display the student name and their country. So printf double quotation student name is or student name colon. I want to display the student name here, so I'm giving %s. Then comma, I have to give the variable name student underscore name, that is a variable name. Then I want to display the country, so printf country. Here I want to display the India, that is a value, so I'm using the %s. So again comma, the variable name is country. Then semicolon. Now if I run this code, it will going to ask the student name, then it is going to print the student name as well as country name. I want to print everything in the new line, so let me give /n. Okay, let me save the program, let me run the code. So if I run the code, as I told, it will ask the student name. I'm giving student name is Sebastian. Okay, and I'm giving enter. So it will display student name Sebastian, country India. Okay, let me run one more time. I'm running one more time. So here I'm going to give the name Sebastian space Terence. Now if I give the enter, it is whenever it is showing the output, it will show only Sebastian. Student name is Sebastian. Terence is not displayed. Why? Because if in the string when we are giving the input, if we are mentioning the space, then the C compiler will think that the string is over and it will assign the null character to the in the space. So it will assume that there is no more character. That is the reason will not take the any character after the space. So it will read only the characters up to space. So how do we give the space? If we want to give more than one word, how do we give? So for this reason, we are going for the function called getS. So yeah, we are going to discuss the next function getS. What is the use of getS? GetS can be used instead of the scanf. Here I am going to give the input by using getS, or I am going to get the input by using getS. So instead of the scanf, I am going to use the function called getS. Here I am going to pass the string name, that is a student underscore name. So in this line getS, we are going to read the input from the user. That input will be stored into the student underscore name. Again, we have one more function called putS. What is use of putS? It is instead of the printf, we can use the putS. PutS help us to display something. Here I am going to display the country by using putS. So let me give the variable name country inside putS. So here I am getting the input by using getS, then I am printing the student name by using printf, then I am displaying the country by using putS. Let me run this code. So see here it is asking the name. So let me give my name Sebastian Terence. Here I am using the space. So now you can see it will display the student name is Sebastian, then it is displaying the country. Why it is displaying the same line? We are not given anything, that is a slash and we didn't mention or we didn't give. That is why it is displaying in the same line. Okay, thank you.